Hello, in this video we would like to highlight Unity's capabilities for VR. It is easy to set up virtual reality in Unity. We have downloaded the Oculus SDK, and in our project we have checked and made sure that the virtual reality support is enabled. And after that, it just pretty much is connected automatically. And now in front of us we have a OpenFlight model that was made by Synthetic. We have imported using our importer. It comes with several built-in features such as degree of freedom, and so using our scripts you can control various components of the tank, such as the AK-47 as mounted on the side, and also you see those wheels are also spinning as well. Thank you for watching this video for reality to enhance your gaming and simulation. Thank you very much.